Originally, we are from India. I am from Mumbai and Jessica is from Mangalore, India. We make Indian food, street food, homemade, home-cooked flavors.
So we have been actually thinking of doing this food business for a very long time. We moved here. We saw that the weather is really good. We saw people come outside to eat a lot of food and we were like, why not do this over here, right? If not now, then when?
We had gone to an event at a park and I saw someone selling Indian food with a rent-to-own trailer. And that's when I started learning more about it. Talked to Dario here and he was really helpful, guiding us through the process.
We really liked the way Dario explained things to us. Dario made this whole process so seamless that usually when you start a business, you feel a little worried. I think Dario took off that worry from us. We never really had a second thought to go anywhere else. Yes, I will 100% recommend rent-to-own. So if you want to know what we sell and what are the items, you can follow us on Instagram. Our Instagram name is Mumbai2 Mangalore.
Follow us on Instagram. If you have any caterings, parties, we are able to cater to those events as well. You will find us on a regular basis at 10521 Broadway Street in Pearland. It's a mobile gas station. We will be parked there full time. Open on the weekends for now, Friday through Sunday. So check our hours on Google before you make the trip.
Start today. Visit renttoowntrailers.com. Hablamos español.